Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be analyzing stock ticker DASH, known as DoorDash Inc., which is one of the growing companies in United States. Now we'll see why I'm making this video is it's about to reach one of the prominent zones, and if you're aiming for a long trade, this might be one of those moments when you can get like over 10%, or let's say 8 to 10% within few weeks. Now looking at these zones, these are pretty strong zones. As you can see, the volume around this is very prominent, and the zones, the gap of openings and the candles movement is promising, where you can see the bear candles. I mean, when the candles are moving down, it doesn't give you a stronger downside, right? So with that being said, if you see the Jones I've plotted here is pretty promising. Even if you go to 120 minutes chart, you see there's a gap of opening, there's a lot of volume around this area, but even if you see in the supply zones, there is volume, but it's a little choppy. And if you see the candles, it's breaking all over the place. Now, if you see, it took over a week to get a move of 6%, whereas this move was achieved with a single candle on December. So you see, this is a really strong zone around this area. Now, if you are aggressive or wanna play aggressive, you can take entry around this area too, like today or next starting next week. But what I like to do is I'd like to be a little conservative and put my move around this area. And the way I'll be taking my entries are, so let's say if I have $100, I'll just invest $25 around this area, right? Now, if the price moves up and breaks one of the smaller time frame supply zone, I'll keep adding my positions until I reach my $100. Now, if the price moves down, I'll increase my positions accordingly, looking at the candles, how it is reacting to the market. For example, let's say I took an entry around this area, $201, and I have $100 principal amount, then I would be taking $25 entry around here. And if the price moves up, I'll be taking more $50, and then it starts moving up, then the remaining 25. Similarly, the same applies if the price goes down, right? And if it goes beyond my end zone, or let's say uh, this point, right? This is the bottom. Yeah. So if it goes beyond this, obviously I need to get out of the trade and accept my loss, right? So my stop loss would be around this area. If you see, the up move is, at least according to my analysis, it will go around this area because it has the weekly achievement, and this is our 120 minutes zone. So I believe it is gonna surpass 120 and be stuck around this area. So that's a 13% move from where I've marked my entry. But again, like, this might take few days or even weeks, but I believe it is achievable. And if this trade goes sideways, you gotta accept it. And again, this is not a financial advice and my personal opinion on this particular stock. If you liked the video, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.